Hello all, hola todos. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about Schoology. Schoology is our new learning management system which we will be utilizing this year. It is also replacing what we previously used, which is Google Classroom. Today I am going to show you how my Schoology is set up. It is important to know that each teacher will set up their Schoology differently. Therefore, it is important that you learn each teacher's setup. Also, please keep in mind that this platform is new to everyone, including teachers, and the setup may change throughout the year according to what works and what doesn't. And so I please ask that you please be patient. All right, so here you can see one of my Schoology classes. To the left, you have all of your important tabs. However, today we are only going to focus on updates and materials, which is the first one. So updates and materials. Right, so in updates is where I will post important information and reminders. As you can see, I have already posted all of your Schoology codes for your grade level offices. It is important that you connect with your grade level so that you may obtain important information they may post and be up to date with your grade level information. All right, guys, now let's take a look at materials. Right, materials is where the bulk of our work will be posted. This year, my class will be 50% digital and 50% pen and paper. So my Schoology class is set up in folders by unit. Right, if you can see, we have Introduction to Spanish, Introduction to Spanish class, alphabet, numbers, basic conversation, cultura, and la fecha. Now, this is an example of a Spanish 1 class. It's important to note that all of my classes will be set up the same, except Spanish 3 will have different material and Spanish 2 will also have different materials. Please note that you will not see an assignment until the day of, but in this example, you will see all of my folders. On your end, you would only see the folder we are currently working on. All right, now let's take a look at your course information folder. This folder will remain open throughout the entire semester. This folder is what houses all of your information such as your syllabus, your class rules, your meet your teacher, and link information such as my email or my Remind app information and assignment schedule. All right, so now let's take a look at assignment schedule. As you can see, it is a link that is embedded into Schoology. All right, so assignment schedule is where I post what we will be working on a weekly and monthly basis. You can see when we will have a quiz or test, and also important things such as project due dates. I have already uploaded, this is an example of Spanish 1, and this is completely user-friendly. If you want to look at the week ahead, it is a link. You just have to click on the week that you want to look on, and it will take you to that week. Okay, and then you just click back the table of contents, and if you want to look at the monthly calendar, you just click at the month that you would like to see, and you can see what is ahead and what we will be working on. All right, so our assignment schedule will be updated on a weekly and monthly basis, and it's also important to know that it may change slightly depending on if we've covered everything for the unit, and things may change and shift a little bit as far as due dates or test and quiz dates. But everything will be updated with enough time for you to prepare accordingly. All right, so now let's circle back to the class syllabus. Where are your materials? Okay, so we would go back to course information and click on the syllabus. Again, it's a embedded link that you can view. If you want to turn off the autoplay, you can just click on this and it will turn it off. All right, so let's go back to the first page. Again, this is also user-friendly. You just click on the topic that you may want to look at. We will be going over this syllabus in class together, but I just wanted to show you that it will be here throughout the year if you'd like to reference back to your syllabus and see what you might have missed or whatnot. Here's a link to information about me and home. And if you'd like to link up with me, I have all of the Schoology codes here for our classes, even though you are automatically in my class. But in case something happens, these are the codes. And also, if you're a parent, you can link up with us in Schoology and look at your child's information or any information that you might want to see. Also, I have a Remind app, and it is important that you connect with me through Reminds. If you like to text with me, this would be a good tool for you to use if you like to text with me and find out information. But please note that it has to be in appropriate times because I do have a family and I am not on Reminds 24/7. But I will try my best to provide an answer for any of your questions as soon as possible. Right, so as mentioned, we will be going over the syllabus in class together, but it is here for your reference. One more thing I'd like to point out that for every unit that we will be working on, I would also have a folder in that particular unit that would have additional study resources that you can use at your own time if you feel like you need additional help. So here you will have important information or important resources that you can use. You can also have some PDFs of important posters and such. So just a little note for additional help and support. All right, guys, so this is how my Schoology classroom is set up. I know that this is a little bit overwhelming. It has been for us throughout the summer to get to learn a new system for this upcoming new year, but I promise you that everything will get better and we will work at it together and become familiar with it together. And always, always, always ask me for help. I'm here to help. All right, guys. Well, see you later. Have a good day. Bye.